So hello, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to play car racing game in Casio calculator. So let's begin the video on the calculator and then type 98 RCL 899 and is equal to, then off the calculator and then restart the calculator on the calculator and then type this code 896 square into 89 sine inverse 65 into log 85 to 10 965 into cos inverse cos inverse 96 is equal to, if syntax errors appears in your calculator, then your calculator is able to play car racing game. Simply off the calculator, and when you open the calculator, you can see the car racing game. Controls are very simple. Forward from this key and backward from this key, and left and right. Play the game. Press shift key. Yes, I'm on track and I'm playing car racing game in Casio calculator. It's very easy to play car racing game in Casio calculator. Like the video and subscribe my channel. Okay. As you can see, I won the game. Thanks for watching. Bye.